बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। नहमदहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम। My dear super subscribers, well wishers and viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to prepare Kachnar vegetable buds. This is very famous and very delicious to eat. So today we are going to prepare it. Let's start. These are buds of Kachnar flower. These are very delicious. Then you can call it as king of vegetables. So they have the flowers like white and pink, and in different languages the Kachnar word is written in this way: Hindi, Pashto, Sindhi, Arabic, then in Indonesian language, Bangla, Gujarati, in Japanese, and then in Tamil language. This Kachnar is grown in Punjab province of Pakistan, and also this is grown in the third desert of Sindh, which is the 18th largest desert, subtropical desert in the world. Here we have to give a good wash to this Kachnar buds, and so that the dust, if any, should settle down. We have to rinse it in water thoroughly. Besides this Kachnar vegetable buds, the other ingredients that we need will be the potato, carrot, then tomato, yogurt, peas, then onions, and some cooking oil. Here I am using this cooking oil, sunflower cooking oil. You may use any cooking oil that is of your choice. In the same way, we may make use of flavored chicken Zaika powder, Mashak, Arq, Ad-Dajjaj Al-Fari. So this is optional if you want to make use of this or you don't want to make use of this. So these are the ingredients that we need to prepare: salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, yogurt, then peas, carrots, tomatoes, onions. All these things will be included in the making of this delicious Kachnar vegetable. We have to give a good boil to this Kachnar buds so that they become soft. Therefore, we are placing it on the steamer, and then when they are done, then further we'll make use of it. With this, I am also boiling carrots and potato so that they become soft. It will take some time. This Kachnar has anti-ulcer properties, controls the amount of gastric secretions, total free acidity in stomach, which might help in managing the ulcer. When the cooking oil is hot, then you use the onions, and we have to stir it till the time we get the golden brown color of these onions, and then further we will proceed into the making of this kachanar vegetable. This is just the right brown color of onions that we have obtained. At this stage we have to add the tomatoes so that they also become soft, and with this we'll go red chili, turmeric powder and salt, and cook it for some time so that the tomato that is fully cooked. Our tomato that is fully cooked, at this stage we will be adding the vegetables that were half done in the steamer. All these vegetables we will be adding in this, and along with this we will be adding the kachanar. We have to give a little crush to this kachanar that was half done in the steamer, and this also we will be adding in this. This will also go in the vegetable that we are preparing, and after we have mixed these birds in this bowl, then again we have to add the yogurt. We have to cook it for some time, and then finally we will be adding the yogurt in it. I see you then. Our this vegetable is now very well cooked, mixed together. At this stage we will be adding the yogurt, and then we will give it a cook for 3 to 4 minutes, and then we will be on very low heat. We will be covering it for further 2 or 3 minutes. Our this kachanar vegetable is now ready, and we are dishing it out. You see that this is very delicious. It has a good aroma, and you can use it with roti, chapati or plain rice, anything that is of your choice. This is very delicious and healthy at the same time. If you like the video and the recipe, then kindly give it a thumbs up, share it with someone, press the bell icon, subscribe my channel so that the upcoming video notification is received to you well in time. Thank you very much for your watching the video. Thank you very much for your time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.